I was in yoga class the other day and setting up for online yoga, and I usually have the Zoom screen up, but for some reason I hit a button and all the different tabs that were open on my computer all of a sudden showed on the screen. And I was mortified to see so many tabs open on my computer. And it got me thinking about how busy my mind can be sometimes, and how my busy mind is just like all the open tabs on your computer. If you are somebody that works on the computer often, look and see how many tabs you have open. Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe it. I'm Krista Oakes, and each Monday I like to share with you a Mindful Monday. It was a real awakening for me when I saw all those tabs open to think about how I operate and how I work, and it was a reminder to me that I wanted to share with you the value in doing one thing at a time and not feeling like you have to juggle a million different thoughts, roles, tasks, jobs. What does it mean to do only one thing at a time? And you can practice that through meditation, through your yoga practice, through closing extra tabs on your computer so that you're only working on one at a time. Practice this week. Become aware of your own tendencies and how you operate, how your mind operates. And instead of having a million tabs open at once, work with just one. See how that works this week. Have a beautiful, restful, quiet day. Namaste.